Hello there. Welcome to English grammar classes for first year students. Today I choose the grammar topic because if you go through the question paper, maximum part of the question paper is covered by the grammar notes, grammar part, which carries 50 marks. So today in this class we are going to step on the grammar part. So in this class I had chosen the article and prepositions. Articles and preposition which carries 4 marks. Yes. First of all, we'll see the articles. As usually, previously you came to know that articles are a and the. These are the three articles. But accurately you don't know what is the definition of these three articles and why they are used in the examination or else while in the conversation. See, a and the. A and the are known as articles. Articles. A and the are known as articles. Okay. These articles are used before or in front. Before or in front. In front of noun. See, a and the are articles and these articles are used before noun. Used before noun to show the relation in the context. See, these articles shows the relation of a noun in the context. That's why these articles are used. Yes, a and the are known as the articles, and these articles are used because to show the relation of a in front of a noun, to show the relation of a context of the noun. ಈ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಾಮಪದದ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ನೌನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಏನನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್. Stepping towards next, the articles it has classified into two kinds. There are two kinds of articles. See, three articles. It has classified into two parts. One is indefinite. Indefinite articles, and another one it is definite articles. See, there are two types. One is three articles. It has classified into two ways. one is indefinite articles, ಅನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಉಪಪದಗಳು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್, ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as indefinite, ಅನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as definite articles, we'll see the definition. By the definition we'll come to know. See the definition of indefinite article. A and an, these two articles are known as indefinite articles. Why they are called as indefinite articles? See, these articles are determined primarily by sound. These articles are determined primarily by sound in the sense of one and any. See, the definition, it explains the A and are considered as the indefinite. A ಮತ್ತು an ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಪದಗಳು ಏನಿವೆಲ್ಲ ಇವು ಅನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಉಪಪದಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅವನ್ನ ಅನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? See the definition. These articles are determined primarily. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it has been determined, ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ primarily by this sound. ನಾವು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, what we utter the sound, these articles are dependent on our pronunciation and the utterance. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ these are determined primarily by this sound. These may change either consonant or a vowel. See, for example, in next example we'll discuss about that, because A, so an, it is used in front of a vowel word which produces consonant sound. Like this, it is depend on the sound. That's why it is known as the indefinite article. And the next definition, it is definite articles. Definite article. See, it is considered as the definite article. Why it is considered as the definite article? Because see the definition. It is used particularly to a person or thing. Either it is used for singular or plural, and countable or uncountable. See, the next definition, it is definite article. First it was the indefinite article. Indefinite articles are dependent on our utterance, what we pronounce. So that's why it is an indefinite article. But definite article, ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ article ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the definite article is the. Why it is definite? Because it is used particularly, ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ. ಹೌದಾ? It is used particularly to a person or a thing. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ನಾವು ಉಪಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. That's way it is used to person or a thing. Either it is used to singular or a plural. ಹೌದಾ? It may be used to singular or plural or countable or uncountable. That's why it is called as definite article. So we came to know that what is article. Article is that A and the are these three are considered as the articles. These are used in front of a noun to show the relation of a noun in the context. ಆ ಒಂದು ನಾಮಪದ ಕಾಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಸೂಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಸಾ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ದೇ ವಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ indefinite and another one is definite article. So indefinite articles are depend on our sound, what we utter, what we pronounce, and a definite article it is it used because to a particular place or a thing, singular or else plural. Either it may be a countable or uncountable. After discussing the definition of articles A and the and classification of definite and indefinite articles, we'll go through some examples where the indefinite articles like a and, the usage of a and are used. Yes, first, usage of article A. A is used before beginning with consonant sound. The A article, it is used before the consonant sound. ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ dog, and another one example a cat. See, A is used before the consonant. Where the consonant word is there, then A is used. And next one, A is used before vowels that produces consonant sound. Previously, while discussing the definition, there I said that indefinite articles A and N, these two are indefinite because it's depend on our pronunciation. That means our utterance of a sound. The pronunciation of a sound, it's dependent. That's why I said these are indefinite articles. It's depend on sound, vocal sound. See, the used A is used before vowels, swara. Vowels produces consonant sound. The vowel that produces consonant sound. See, for example, a university. University. And another example is a unique. See, this is the starting two words are starting one word is U. As I said, vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But the vowel word which produces the consonant sound, when you utter these words, it's not a U, Y, U, Y, O, like this. It is a vowel word that produces the consonant sound. Similar example for that is European. This is also a similar example for this one. Next one, it is A is used in the sense of one to represent the whole class. See, A is used in the sense of one. Sense of one that to represent the whole class. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳುವುದೇನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಎ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಉಪಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. See the example, A student should be obedient. See the example. It represent the student. Which category it represents means student category. The whole class of the student it represents. The student they should be obedient. A student should be obedient. Like this, A is also used for the sense of one. ಒಂದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದನ್ನ ತಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಉಪಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, A is used in the certain expression and in the exclamatory sentence. See, in the certain expressions like example, a couple, okay, and then half a dozen, and in the next one, exclamatory sentence, what a pretty girl. See, this is A is also used in the certain expressions, certain ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ certain expressions like a couple, half a dozen. Another one example ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ half a dozen. See, to tell the certain expression, this A is also used, and in exclamatory sentence also ಉದ್ಗಾರವಾಚಕ. Exclamatory means which takes out the sudden expressions and feelings from the human beings. In that also the A article is used. See, what a pretty girl. This kind of article is used in this sentence. And next, the article A, it is used in the word little or few, and also used in certain expression of a quantity like a price or a rate. See the example. A little milk, and few people. And in the certain expression of the like a price and a rate, rupees, example, rupees 10 a kilo. See, this A article is used where the word little and few is used. See, a little milk, the quantity, it shows the quantity of the milk. A little milk, and another few, ಕೆಲವು ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. There also they use a few people. And next one, it is used in the certain expression of quantity like a price or a rate. ಬೆಲೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಅನ್ನುವಂತನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. See, rupees 10 a kilo. In this sense, it's here A, it symbolizes sense of one. ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A means one. Rupees 10 a kilo. Next one, see, denoting number and also used to make a common noun, denoting a number to make a common noun to the proper noun to express the qualities. See, here it is used to denote a number. Here I am going to write the example denoting number. A millennial. See, denoting a number, and also it says that to make common noun to a proper noun to express the quality. See, he is, example, he is a Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya in fairness. See, it denotes the number, a millennium. And another one, to make common noun to the proper noun. Here, see, he is a common noun. We don't know who he is, but he is fair. His fairness is compared to the Vikramaditya. That's why the common noun, it is considered to be his quality also. It expresses the quality of that person. He is a Vikramaditya in his fairness. Like this, it is also used in several ways, and it is used in the sense of one. And stepping towards the next article, it is an. Usage of article an. First usage. And is used before vowel sound. See, vowel sound ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Example, an engineer, an onion. See, what I say, I strongly say that you people, these articles are indefinite because these are depend on our pronunciation of a sound. See, here the example they said that it is used for the vowel sound, not a vowel word. Vowel word ಅಲ್ಲ, vowel sound ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ vowel sound ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ an ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Here is the example, an engineer, an onion. See the next one. An is used, consonant produces vowel sound and in the certain abbreviation. And it's used in front of a consonant produces vowel sound. Example, and also so it is written as a certain abbreviation. Example, an MLA. Okay, consonant word which produces vowel sound and it is also abbreviation. And another example, an MBA student. See, the consonant word which produces the vowel sound. That's why I said these indefinite articles, these words are depend on our sounds. And next one is an is used before a noun beginning with a word where h is mute, where the h word is mute. h ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಪದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ an ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, an honest man. An honest ಅಲ್ಲ, it should be pronounced as honest man. And another one example, an hour. An hour, it's not hour, it's hour. And these are the usage of the article, indefinite article an. Now next and final, it's a definite article. The definite article the, as we saw in the definition that the definite article the, it symbolizes, it represents the particular place or thing. Either it may be a singular or plural, or it may be countable or uncountable. How the word or the article the is used, let's we go through it. See the usage of article the. The article is used before a noun when it is used second time. See, this is the article, but it is used when it is the second time. See, let's see the example. My sister has two computers. A laptop and a PC. The PC is quite old, and the laptop is brand new. See, as we saw the definition that the is used when it is before noun, when it is used second time. Let's see the example. My sister has two computers, a laptop, a PC. Explains that my sister has two computers, a laptop, a PC. See, when it is used second time. The PC is quite old. The PC is quite old and the laptop. See, once again it is used. Then the article is used when it is used second time. First time it's speaking about my sister, and my sister is on PC and a laptop. Starting I didn't use it. When I started to express the second time, I used the PC is quite old and the laptop is brand new. Like this, the article is used second time to express about the noun. Next one, second one example is used before unique things. Unique things means it is a unique, ananya. For example, the sun rises in the east. The earth revolves. See, it is used, the article is used when the unique things are shown, when unique things are represented. The unique things like the sun, the earth, the moon, this kind of unique things, they are used to represent the unique things. Next one, used before. The article is used before holy books and newspapers. See example, holy books, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, newspapers like the Indian Express, and next one, the Times of India. See, the is used to represent, to show the holy books, pavitra granthaಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. See, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran. Like this, the holy books to represent the article is used, and also the is used to represent the newspapers. See, the Indian Express, the Times of India. This kind of the article is used in the sentences. Next one, the article is used in the ordinals, oceans and superlative. See, ordinals example, the first, the last, and oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, and also in superlative, the tallest, the shortest. See, In ordinals like the first, the second, in this kind of ordinals, to show that we should use the article, and also use in front of oceans like ಸರೋವರದ ಎದುರುಗಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್, ದಿ ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದಿ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿ ಟಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಅವನ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್, ಅವನ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಟಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್, the shortest, this kind of articles are used. Next one, the article is used before historical events and nationalities direction. See, example, historical events, the World War First, the World War Second, and these are the historical events and nationalities. The Indian, the Russian. See, nationalities ಕೂಡ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಶೋ ದಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. See, this kind of to represent the directions we use the article. Next one, the article is used before rivers, historical constructions and mountains. Example, the river Ganga, the river Krishna, and historical construction, the Mysore Palace, the Gol Gumbaz, the Gol Gumbaz, like this, to represent the rivers, historical construction and mountains, the Himalaya, the Vindhyas. Mountains also represent, we use the article. And next one, the article is used to represent the organs of government and armed forces. Organs of government like the judiciary and the legislature. These are the organs of the government. To represent this, we use the article, the judiciary, the legislature, and armed forces. Armed forces like, example, the army, the air force. Like this, armed forces, to represent that, we use the article. And next and last, the article is used to represent dynasties and empires. See, example, the Vijayanagara Empire. Dynasty, the Gupta dynasty. So, starting from first to last, we discussed the articles, how the articles are used, and when it is used and where it is used. So, 3 articles it has classified in two different ways. That one is indefinite and definite article. So definite indefinite article are dependable on our pronunciation or our pronouncing sound, and definite article it symbolizes, it emphasizes the particular place or a thing. Either it may be singular or plural. So starting from first a and the, we saw where and when is to be used. Hope you people enjoyed the class.